Welcome back to Tech Unbox Pro, and today we're looking at a smartphone that is creating massive excitement in the tech world, the all-new Infinix 70 Pro 5G. This device is designed to deliver flagship-level power, premium design, and next-generation performance, all in one stunning package. Starting with the design, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G looks absolutely premium. The phone features a beautiful glass back with a clean, modern finish that reflects light in a very elegant way. The camera module is bold and powerful, giving this phone a true flagship appearance. The slim frame and smooth edges make it comfortable to hold, and it feels extremely solid and well built in the hand. On the front, the phone offers a large immersive display that delivers vibrant colors and ultra-smooth performance. Whether you are watching videos, scrolling social media, or playing games, everything looks incredibly sharp and fluid. The viewing experience feels rich, cinematic, and highly responsive, making it perfect for everyday use and entertainment. Now let's talk about performance, which is where the Infinix 70 Pro 5G truly shines. This smartphone is powered by a fast and efficient processor that handles multitasking with ease. Apps open instantly, switching between tasks feels smooth, and gaming performance is impressive. Even heavy applications run without lag, giving you a fast and reliable experience throughout the day. One of the biggest highlights of this phone is its camera system. The Infinix 70 Pro 5G captures sharp, detailed, and vibrant photos in different lighting conditions. The camera produces professional-looking images with excellent clarity and balanced colors. Whether you are taking portraits, landscape shots, or videos, the results look stunning and premium. Battery life is another strong point of this device. The phone is built to last all day with confidence, and fast charging ensures that you spend less time waiting and more time using your phone. Combined with powerful 5G connectivity, you also get faster downloads, smoother streaming, and a future-ready experience. Overall, the Infinix 70 Pro 5G is a powerful, stylish, and feature-packed smartphone that offers incredible value. It combines premium design, strong performance, excellent camera quality, and reliable battery life, making it a fantastic choice for modern smartphone users. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected with Tech Unbox Pro for more powerful smartphone reviews and exclusive tech content.